My name is Prince Raj. I read in class 7. Now to get some GK question. My first question goes to class nursery. How many hands do you have? Who is the right answer? My second question goes to class LKG. What is the color of star? Blue is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. What is the color of white mango? Yellow is the right answer. My fourth question goes to class 1. Where is Taj Mahal situated? I repeat my question. Where is Taj Mahal situated? Agra is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 2. Who is the current CM of Bihar? I repeat my question. Who is the current CM of Bihar? Nitish Kumar is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 3. Who is the current foreign minister of India? I repeat my question. Who is the current foreign minister of India? This question passes to class 4. Who is the current foreign minister of India? S. Jaishankar is the right answer. My seventh question goes to class 4. Who was the first foreign minister of India? I repeat my question. Who was the first foreign minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru is the right answer. My eighth question goes to class 5. What is the SI unit of mass? kg is the right answer. My ninth question goes to class 6. What is the SI unit of heat? I repeat my question. What is the SI unit of heat? This question passes to class 7 to 8. What is the SI unit of heat? Joule is the right answer. My first question goes to class 7. What is the chemical formula of lime water? I repeat my question. What is the chemical formula of lime water? CaOH2 is the right answer. My 11th question goes to class 8. What is the chemical formula of vinegar? I repeat my question. What is the chemical formula of vinegar? This question passes to class 9. CH3COOH is the right answer. My 12th question goes to class 9. DNA is made of chemical building block called. I repeat my question. DNA is made of chemical building blocks called. This question passes to class 1 to 9. DNA is made of chemical building blocks called. Nucleotide is the right answer. My 13th question goes to class 1 to 9. Which country has 3 champion trophies? India is the right answer. That's all, thank you.